Is it a trout? It's a huge grayling. Huge grayling. Huge grayling. Huge grayling. Oh my god, Ieva, don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Oh my god!
I'm really looking forward to cracking on. Should we go catch some fish?
Let's do it! It's all about to happen.
I am the trout queen.
Yes! Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah!
I don't even know what to say. Oh my goodness.
And let's go catch some more. Good morning everyone and welcome back to a very foggy Derbyshire. Today I'm after something entirely different. I'm after my PB grayling and I will take you with me. Hopefully I catch one. So I'm down in the Peak District by the Derbyshire Wye, which is the Peacock Hotel stretch of the river. It's known for a very big grayling and that's what I'm after. So as you may know, grayling primarily feed on the subsurface. So they have a downturn mouth, which means they feed on the riverbed. That's why we're going to be fishing with nymphs today. So I've bought two rods with me today. They both are set up to fish with indicator. So no matter what pool I go into, I'm ready to cast and try and catch the grayling of my dream. Generally, I would prefer to fish for grayling in a bit murkier water, but at the moment we haven't had much rain, so the water is very low, very clear, so we're presenting more natural colored flies in search for those graylings. They haven't shoaled up as of yet, so we're going to have a lot of finding to do. I'm going to stop waffling now because I'm super keen to start fishing for these grayling. I'm going to go get rigged up and you guys wish me luck. So I've come to this pool and I found this really nice and wide bend. So I've already seen a few fish feeding. I've tied a natural colored fly on with a red tag. Hopefully that will attract them. So I'm super keen to get a cast. Hopefully I'll catch one now. So I don't really feel that I'm doing a lot of wrong here, but clearly it's not working, so I'm going to try and change the flies and see if that helps. It's a trout. As nice as it is to catch a trout, obviously we're not after them, so I'm gonna quickly unhook him and put him back. We're not after them. I do really want a grayling, but at least it's a fish, so that's a positive. Something I'm doing is right. got my river PB. Unfortunately, it's not the right species, so we're gonna get him back straight away. What more can I add to this? Nothing. What a beautiful, gorgeous pre-spawn trout. We're not trying to target them in any way. That was totally by accident, but I'm not gonna complain. That is the most stunning trout I've ever seen. So this pool over here is entirely different. It's a lot deeper, so I've changed to my second rod, which I have a bigger indicator on. That means that I can either fish heavier flies or 2 flies. I have one natural pattern and I have one with pink tag. Hopefully the grayling take a liking to one of them. So we're about 40 minutes in and I had my PB rainbow, I had my PB brown trout. It just seems that I can't catch the right species. I came now to a shallower pool, so I'm going to switch back to my lighter rod and hopefully I can catch a grayling. That's a fish. That might be a big grayling. Trout, isn't it? Is it a trout? It's a huge grayling. Huge grayling. Huge grayling. Huge grayling. Oh my god, Ieva, don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Oh my god! F***ing hell! Oh my Jesus! F***ing Christ, look at that! So, and this is it. I'm literally, how can you not say that this is the best day? PB rainbow, PB brown trout, PB grayling, and that's what we came here. So, I'll show it to you. Look at that. How huge is this grayling? How can anyone be not happy? I've just noticed it has a little bit of nip on the tail. Some sort of damage, but it's a gorgeous fish. I couldn't be any happier with that. Back you go, buddy. What a day this has turned out to be. I mean, came here, had 3 fish, all 3 were my PB, a PB rainbow, a PB brown trout, a PB grayling. Have you seen the size of the grayling? Like, I'm so excited now, but I'm more keen to get out there, get my flies out, and hopefully try and catch another 42+ centimeter grayling. So, I've changed the fly. Obviously, I had like a bug-alike imitation on before, and we've had a fish, but after that I haven't had any more takes or touches or anything. So I've changed to something a bit more different, and hopefully it works. never had so many massive fish in my life in one day, bloody hell. My heart is absolutely pumping at the moment. Like I've said, I've never had so many big, massive, wild river fish in one day. Again, unfortunately, it's not the right species, so I'm gonna put him straight back. But just look at those colors, oh my goodness. I'm not even sure if this is bigger one than last one. Look at that. Whew. What is happening today? Oh, that's not a grayling, is it? Wrong species, again. That's my life. That's a grayling. So it's getting dark slightly now, but I've caught one and I'm hoping there's going to be a few bigger ones in the pool as well. It's a better grayling. Please don't come off. So I thought there were bigger fish in there, and there it is, another huge, massive grayling for IB here. What a day today. I will put him back. It wasn't the gentle release I was going for, but he went back okay, I think. So I've just changed to a different fly with a bit more colour. We will give it the last go. The light's starting to go now, so we'll give it a go for a few minutes. If nothing, we'll go home. We had a pretty good day. I can never complain about today. And if we have a few, it's a bonus. It's a grayling. a big grayling as well. I told you we'll find a few. Well, obviously changing the fly worked. And how well did it work? I mean, grayling must be one of the most beautiful fish we have in the UK. I'm gonna put him straight back. Ah, it's fine. I think it was a trout, actually. You don't think?
Sure thing.
So I don't know if you've just seen what happened, but I hooked a massive grayling and it snapped me off. It wasn't by the fly, it literally midway on the tip it just snapped. So just tied another fly on and hopefully I can catch another one. This fly, this time, is my own tied one. I've tied about a year ago, I think so. It is a lucky fly. I usually never use it, like I'm not allowed to use it, I'm just too scared to lose it. But I thought I will give it a go. Perhaps it will catch me the biggest grayling of today. What a day today. I came here to catch a PB grayling. I caught a PB grayling, a PB rainbow trout, a PB brown trout. It's not just a PB grayling that I caught. I had 3 of the biggest grayling I've ever seen or had in my life. Unfortunately, I need to retie or make up another fly because my lucky fly clearly does not work anymore. And on the subject of flies, there wasn't one fly that only did the job. Like, I caught fish on natural looking flies, I caught fish with a bit of color in them. Like, there was never just, oh my god, that's the only fly that the fish is gonna take. So I don't know. Well, I guess whatever they were eating, I matched it pretty well. So, because, you know, I've got a good number of fish, and most importantly, all the fish were really, really nice fish. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I know Andy is missing somewhere out of this video, but I hope you enjoyed it just with me. And he's just behind the camera giving me all sorts of looks. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to our channel. We nearly on 500 subscribers now, which is really exciting. Please like the video if you like it, and always please leave a comment. I'm so excited. That's like the best part of my day, just to read all of the comments and to talk to you guys. So thank you very much. Bye.